welcome back to another day in Punta Cana, guys. Welcome. I hope you guys are enjoying my video because I just uploaded the first part of this trip, and today is our second day. It seems like it's our third day because we've been doing so much, and right now we're just heading to the beach. Yesterday we went to Bavaro Beach, but when we got there it was a little bit chilly. Yeah, so I didn't get inside the water because it was cold. So today we're going to another beach and we're just taking our Uber to go. So in the morning when we wake up, we went to the usual spot to go eat because they always have a special meal every day from 12 to 3 p.m. So we always like to go there and just eat there because it's different food and then it's at a good price. So now we're just heading to the beach. We took a Uber like we said, and Uber is a lot cheaper, safer, faster, and just taking us there is about 27 minutes from our location. Yeah. And guys, after eating that food today, I was so tired, like I had to pass out because I was really tired and full. So now I have my energy back. So vámonos a la playa. Let's go to the beach. So if you're watching the video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so you will get notified of each time I upload a new video. Hey guys, so we came at this place. It's called the Jellyfish. It's actually our Uber driver who recommended this place, and it's just so beautiful. They have like a restaurant. The water just looks so nice and clear. It's amazing over here. So it's called Jellyfish. So if you're in Punta Cana, make sure to check this place out because you're going to like this place. You can take nice picture, you know. So let's go for an adventure. Okay, so just realized that the Bavaro beach we came here yesterday is up ahead over there. So we came to this place, the Jellyfish, and the Jellyfish is just right here, but when you're walking down there you will see the Bavaro beach. So all this area here, it's all the beaches, and also on the opposite side, like this side here, they're all different resorts. So that's what I just realized. So technically we came to Bavaro Beach, but so technically we came to the Jellyfish, the restaurant, the beach here, and also the further you keep walking, you're going to see other resorts that have the same beach that they're using. So it's a really far walk. So it's cool. I didn't know, because if I knew I was coming close to Bavaro Beach, I mean, no, if I knew we're coming close to Bavaro Beach, we're just gonna take the Uber from Bavaro Beach and then walk along. But that is so cool. That's something I just realized, and now we know. Next time when we come here, it's the same beach. We're just gonna be walking the opposite. I mean, we're just gonna be walking all the way. See, now we're back to jellyfish. Yes, so this is it for today. I will catch you guys up tomorrow for the next adventure. Time to go take the Uber.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I am back home and we end up going to this place called Infinity, and I have so much fun, guys. That place, oh my god, it's so much fun. They play Afrobeat, they play like English music, they mix it up, and the crowd, everybody just have so much energy. Whew, that was a nice place. I love that place. So that is it for tonight, and I'm about to head to sleep, take off this makeup. So I will chat to you guys in a bit.